Vlogmas Day 2.
No one more annoying than these two hoes in the morning.
It's Rachel. I was holding back so much. I didn't say.
So quiet. Thank God.
I didn't say a word to her in the house. Didn't say a word to her in the car.
I literally would have lost it.
But now I just have to let it out. It's currently 5:24 in the morning. We woke up at 4 to come drive to the beach to see the sunrise because Rachel's app said it was going to be 61. Good. So, you know, we had to see that.
Probably gonna be good though. The thing about me, I won't lie about a sunset. If it's not that good, I'm not gonna like gas God up. I'm just gonna say that was fine.
Are you gonna lie about a sunrise?
Oh.
I would give the sunrise.
I would give it a 61 out of 100.
Yeah, I would too.
I thought you guys didn't fake it.
It's a little bit better
No, I
than average.
deadass would though.
I would give it maybe a 13.
Awesome 100?
Nee, vielleicht 40. 40.
God.
Cut to the clip from earlier. I give it a 40.
I would never give him anything under a 60.
Okay. Magic. That was crazy. Guck wer es. So true. We're getting groceries. Look at all these cutie drinks. I'm gonna buy this one. Yeah.
I should vlog this. Cutie drinks. Cut.
Varsågod så. Du vill just bete med sina vloggar med Asti. Go. So, advance. Getting English muffins from New Zealand. Slay. We're stopping at a thrift store. Check out this dress. You can't even see it very well, but vote in the comments if I should get this fur jacket. I know, because the video is going to be over. I just want them to comment. What was this, Sienna? What is this place that you found for us?
It's
A bleeding
immediate
finger.
mood change for me.
Ow!
It was Rachel even up. But yeah.
Beauty.
Mary found this place. She's very happy. What did you get, Mary? We made it to a beach where we're having a little picnic-esque thing. We got meat pies from a bakery and some picnic stuff from Lily's, and we're just living life. We are on yet another nature adventure on Vlogmas Day 2.
Nature.
Going
Adventure.
to see some waterfalls, as well as several waterfalls, as well as a dam. about to conclude our nature walk.
Well, except for the next one.
I'm not keen. Hey vlogmas pops, I am very tired. It's about 8:37 p.m. It's actually exactly 8:38 p.m. now. I'm gonna end today's vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Come back again tomorrow for who knows what kind of chaotic content. We're probably gonna drive a while and go meet Mary's friend Tanya for a little brunch and then some gallivanting in the rain. I don't know. We're gonna see what happens. But thank you for watching Vlogmas Day 2. Bye!